Hi kids, let's learn the vegetables name. Potato, onion, carrot, tomato, cabbage, cauliflower, radish, turnip, brinjal, pumpkin, bitter gourd, bottle gourd, peas, lady's finger, ginger, garlic, cucumber, capsicum, beetroot, sweet potato, spinach, mint, curry leaves, coriander, ridge gourd, snake gourd, green chilies, beans. Thank you.